Now we're going to discuss printing a worksheet so that you understand the concepts. For this class, of course, you'll be downloading your final file to me in Angel, but I want you to understand how you would print a worksheet and to see how it would look if you were to print it out. Now a printout is actually called a hard copy. What we're looking at right now on our computer screen is an electronic copy. A hard copy is the printout. Now if we were going to print a worksheet, of course we'd come up here to the Office button, come down here to Print. I'm just going to come up here and select Print. And our Print dialog box is going to open up here. And as you can see, you can print either the entire worksheet, or you can print just a couple of pages if it's more than one page, how many copies you want to print over here. Down here is where you can print just a selection. If you want to just print the table, for instance, you would highlight the table, and then you would click selection, and all it would print would be what you selected in your range. In this instant, it would be the table. The active sheet is the sheet you're currently looking at, or if you have more than one worksheet in your workbook, you can actually print your entire workbook. You've got your print preview. This will show you what your table will look like when you print it. And I always recommend doing that with Excel because, as you can see in this case, our total column is actually going to appear on our second page. Now if you were going to present this to a supervisor or in a meeting, you would not want the total to appear on the second page. So we're going to close Print Preview, and we're going to look at some different options. Right here you can see we've got this little dotted line here now. That means that is where the end of our page is going to be. A couple of options that we can choose from. We can come up here to Page Layout, and we're going to check on Margins. And in this case, we're going to change it to Narrow. In other words, we're going to make our margins wider. And as you can see now, the edge of our page is going over to the edge. If we go back to Print Preview now, you can see down at the bottom here, we're on page 1 of page 1, and you're ready to print your document at this point in time.